It's me again, Stampers. This is my last one for the evening. These two layouts I did were for the 40-day challenge. I've been lagging, so I'm trying to catch up. And I will put the link to Mary's website that's doing it. Okay, this one was the theme for this was birds. So I used Storybook and cut the word birds out. I use Gypsy Wanderings to cut that bird. And that bird, he's scary looking. I can't remember which cartridge I used to cut him, but I had chopped it off. But I just kind of stuck him up under my picture. And I cut a little sun. And we were in Eureka Springs a couple of weeks, about last month. Yeah, last month. And I took these pictures of these flowers, and I just mounted them on paper I got from the Blossom Treasure DCWV pack. And then this one's the tulips. Sorry. So this was my page titled The Birds. Oh, and I put glitter glue, stickles, you know what I'm talking about. Sorry, long night. Then my last page was stars. Here I have cut this star out of, wow, I really need to write this stuff down. This one came out of Just Because. This one, accent, and I'm not for sure where the star came from. And that's my son, football last year, number 6. And I cut a half moon around with one of my little tools. Took the stickers my, and then I cut star out of what font did I use? I'll have to look and get back with you on that. Put a link. Then I just pulled some little rubber stickers, spelled his name, the number 6, and we're the Wasso Rams. So I had bought this at my local store, this paper. And then here's my big star. It's my son and me. I had bought a shirt that day and had the lady put this picture on the back of my shirt, so I wore it proudly to that game that day, and they won. But that is my star. And that's it for this evening. Signing off. Have a good evening. See you tomorrow.